All right. Welcome back, traders. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to our pre-week analysis for the week of November 23 to the 27, 2020. This is the last week of November. We are trading our multiple time frame system. So today we are gonna be reviewing 4 different pairs, and hopefully everything makes sense. Let's get to work. I want to keep this video short and sweet. This is what I have, guys. Let me go ahead and bring my Epic pen because I think it's very important for me to work on it, right? So if I don't have that, that means I cannot give you the right information. But let me go ahead and show you how things work. I already did the analysis for this one for Eurusd. This is what I'm seeing here, guys. I'm seeing here a amazing drop that is coming this coming week. Look at here, brothers and sisters, it's in this area here. So yes, market is giving us a small PV right now. By my opinion, market will be dropping, boom, retesting that 78 to our 61 Fibonacci line. From there, boom, market will do a small PV, and then we'll continue as bearish. Guys, also I want to show you something that I created on the website. It's pretty amazing, pretty neat. Let me go ahead and show you. Guys, let me know if you guys have any questions so we can go ahead and wrestle this one. But let me show you what I have created on the website, and hopefully you guys can find the value on this one. Let me go ahead and type here, what are we trading? Because that is very important, right? If we don't type here, who are we trading? So it's going to make us difficult. So we are trading multiple time frame system. Link is below. Also, you can find us on our website www.teamwithervingsystem.com. That is our website. But let me show you what I have put it on the website. It's pretty neat, guys. I think you guys gonna find value of this one. I love it, to be honest. Let me show you. Let me show you here. So you just go to the website. Here's the Gold membership. If you guys want to sign up directly to the Gold membership, here's the multiple time frame system. But I created tab here for the news event, guys. So like that, you can come here, and it basically is my FX book. That's what I use. So if you click on this hyperlink here, it will take you directly to the economic calendar. So it's pretty neat, pretty amazing. So all you got to do is see what the news is going to be for that week. Also, let's say you want to check the community outlook. All these are going to take you directly to the Forex calculator, community outlook, streaming Forex, Forex market, most popular system. But I love the community outlook because it gives you the outlook of whatever pairs you are trading. Pay attention what Eurusd is doing. Eurusd, 69% of the population is going 69% on bearish, and 31 still in a buy position. That's why the market is acting up weird, but there it is. So it's pretty neat, guys. So take a look at it. The website is there, so take advantage of it. I create that so like that it can make your job a lot easier. Let's go to Eurusd. This is what I have for Eurusd. What I'm seeing here on Eurusd, guys, I'm looking for a drop. Basically, look at this guy. This is a PV here. So by what I'm seeing here, market is coming and slowly pushing down, right? So what I'm hoping is market to come back and retest that 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. From there, boom, market will be giving us a buy position. Then, boom, market will drop as a bearish. So we're going to come back on Wednesday. Remember, guys, Thursday and Friday, this coming Thursday, Friday is a holiday here in the United States. So market will be acting very, very slow. So don't expect the market to do a lot of crazy movement because it's not going to happen. All right. Just giving you a heads up up front. It's not going to happen. So most likely we are going to be trading only for 3 days. Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. No, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, right? Thursday and Friday, people are going to be enjoying our holiday because we deserve it. All right. So the next pair that I'm going to show you here, guys, let me go ahead and delete this. Let me know, comment below if you guys have any question. So like that, I can wrestle any of your questions because I'm here live with you. So take the opportunity to comment below. Guys, please go ahead and take a look at the Gold membership. If you're not ready to grab the multiple time frame, it's fine, but the Gold membership is in there, all right? So the next pair that I have here is the NCD Canadian. Pay close attention what NCD Canadian is doing for the week of the 23 to the 27. This is it, guys. This is the last week of November. We're not going back to any other data, so it's game over. So what I'm seeing here, look at what our system is letting us know here. Our system is letting us know the market is in a sell position. Real time. 4 hours is letting us know the market it is in a bearish position. What do we have to do in this position? And here, what I'm saying, remember guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and what? Wait. It doesn't matter what you say. I'm here for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. That's what I'm here week after week and all the way. All right, let's go. So just wanted to make sure. Bear with me, guys. I get very excited when it comes to Forex. I really love to come to do this and give you the best content ever. People charge for this type of analysis. I know this company, they charge you $125 every single week. It's crazy, but I mean they make money. It's real money. I'm giving you all this set up so you can take advantage and check and comment. I don't know what kind of system you guys are using. Some of my team is here, is fine, but some others are not. So take a look at it, all right? So this is what I'm hoping the market will do. Come back and retest the 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. From there, market is going to give us a small pullback, right? Boom. And then we're going to come back on Wednesday because Wednesday is the last day of trading, guys. There is no other day that we are going to be trading the market. This is it. It's game over. We got no 5 business day trading. Sure, the market is going to be open, but don't think the market is going to be performing. It's not going to happen, brother. It's not going to happen. I'm letting you know up front. All right, let's move on. Let's move on to the next one. I delete the multiple time frame and so on, so you will not see it, so it will not be in your way. All right, so let's go ahead and do gold. Gold is also a great pair for this coming week. Remember, this week market will not be performing the way you always seen it. Anyway, we come into December. December is gonna be slow. January is gonna be slow as well. In my opinion, guys, look to be scalping the market, grab here and there some pips. That's the best way to do it, in my opinion, because market it will be dead basically. Try to make $100 to $500 a day, in and out, and game over. Move on to the next week and do it again. So, but there's money to be made. But do you have skills? Do you have rules? That's the question you need to ask yourself. But here it is anyway. So what I'm seeing on this particular pair here, guys, this is gold. I remember when I told you guys on gold, when the market did this drop here, bam! And then our system let us know the market was gonna give us a PV pullback. So there it is, and boom, shut out. And then market gave us a continuation of the sell. Game over. Boom. Now, real time is all it matters to me. Pay attention what real data is letting us know here. Real data is letting us know the market is going to continue in a sell position. The question is, do you want to grab the sell or not? Because I don't know. Right? So this is what I have for this particular week. Remember, guys, these are not signals, please. These are not signals. This is for educational purpose. But this is what the market will be performing. Boom. Market will be dropping, retesting the 61.8 Fibonacci line. From there, market will give us a small PV and then boom, continue as a sell. That is why I think gold will be performing on this particular pair. Do you guys have any question? Because look, guys, I'm here live anyway. This is awesome, guys. Really, this is awesome. I really like this one. So far, guys, don't forget to check the news on the website. It's very easy. It's just one click and boom, it take you directly to what you need to do instead of you clicking on the, in my FX book website, going from one place to another place. You got 6 different tabs in there. Just click on only what you want to see and boom, you in and out. Game over. It's very straightforward. Hopefully this makes sense, guys, and you guys finding value. I really take time, to do this work behind scenes, so it can make your life a lot easier behind scenes. But it's up to you. Do you have the multiple time frame? Are you trading with rule or not? All right, so far I have gave you 4 pair. I gave you AUD, USD. I told you the market's gonna be in a sell here. I also gave you Euro USD. I told you the market is going to do a sell here as well. Also, I gave you what? I gave you NCD Canadian. Same thing. It's giving us a sell position. Pay attention. Everything is looking us for a sell. Sell, sell, sell. What is gold giving us? Gold is giving us another sell. So we look to 4 different pairs. All 4 different pairs seems to be in a bearish position. Please don't be fooled and try to do something else if the rules don't qualify. Look, this is really pre-done. So remember, they're not signal, but go back to the system, reanalyze it. If this meets your qualification, then that means you did a great research on the market. But this is it, guys. I really love this. And I'm very proud of the work that we do behind scenes. The month of November, we lost only 5 trades. 5 trades out of what? 30, 38, something like that. 36. It's a damn pretty good, guys. Hell yeah. But anyway. Well, that's all I have, guys. Thank you so much for coming in today. Stay safe, enjoy your family. Remember, Thursday and Friday is gonna be holiday. Enjoy your family. God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care, guys. Hasta la vista. See you later.